what do you think of these bottles? Complete the video to learn how to create them. Welcome back. First, we will add a cylinder and shape it to the shape of the bottom of the bottle. We will soften the edges so that they do not appear sharp. Now it's time for the inner tube of the bottle, which draws the liquid from the inside and will be visible from the outside of the bottle, because it will be transparent, as we saw at the beginning of the video. Then we will create the upper part of the tube that will be outside the bottle. Then we will create the head from which the liquid comes out, which is a tube slanted downward. We will smooth it, place it inside the bottle, and adjust its location. We will make some adjustments to the dimensions of the bottle and the inner tube so that they are consistent with each other. I hope you don't forget to subscribe to the channel and put a like if you liked the video. I'll see you in a new video. Goodbye.